7 part B then. We solve this equation, 6x cubed plus x squared minus 11x minus 6 equals 0. So here it is. So let's let f of x equal it then. So we've got 6x cubed plus x squared minus 11x minus 6. We need to find a factor. So here, let's try something. 0 won't give a factor, will it? Because 0, if you put 0 in, you get minus 6. Let's try f of 1. So we'll put 1's in. 6 plus 1. Easy to work out this one. Minus 11 minus 6. That doesn't equal 0, does it? No. Let's try f of 2. See if we get one here. 2 cubed is 8. 6 8s are 48. So I'll put that down there. 2 squared is 4. And then minus 11 times 2 is minus 22 minus 6. Too big to equal 0. What about f of minus 1 then? So minus 1 cubed is minus, so that's a minus 6. Minus 1 squared is plus 1. Minus 1 times a minus 11 is plus 11. And then you've got minus 6. Again, that's 12, take 12. That equals 0. Good. So x plus 1 is a factor by the factor theorem. There we go. So let's divide it through then, see what we get. So we're going to divide x plus 1 into the 6x cubed plus x squared minus 11x minus 6 and see what we get. Okay, dominant term is x and 6x cubed, so that goes into that 6x squared, doesn't it? And then multiply through, you get 6x cubed. And then here times 1 is plus 6x squared. Take them away from each other. And we get 6x cubed, take that, which disappears. X squared take away 6x squared is minus 5x squared. Minus 11x take nothing is still minus 11x. Minus 6 take nothing is still minus 6. So that's what we've got there. Repeat the same process then. Look at the dominant term here, x. Dominant term here is minus 5x squared. How many times does x go into minus 5x squared? It'll be minus 5x, won't it? Now multiply through. We'll get minus 5x squared. And then minus 5x times 1 is minus 5x. Take them away from each other. That will disappear. That's why we're doing it. Minus 11x minus 5x is plus 5x. So we'll get minus 6x. And then minus 6 take away nothing is minus 6. Now look at this and this. How many times does that go into that? It goes in minus 6 number of times. Minus 6 x can go here, and then minus 6 times 1 is minus 6. Take them away, and you get 0, of course. So we now can factorize it. So here we've got x plus 1, and this thing here, this quadratic, 6x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. So when does that equal 0 then? Now we need to factorize it, and it doesn't look terribly easy to factorize because we don't know if it's a 2 or 3. If it were a 6 and 1, no, it can't be a 6 and a 1 and a 1 and a 6 because that would be too much of a difference. But if it was 6 and 1, right, and if this were a 2 and a 3, no, that would be too big because even the 2 would give 12, so it can't be that. So it's got to be 2 and 3. So that's taking a big problem out of the pot. So let's do 3x and 2x then here. Now 3 and 2, 3 goes here to make 9, and 2 2s are 4, and the difference will be minus 5. This will be a minus, won't it? And this will be a plus. This equals 0. There we go. So that implies x plus 1 equals 0. Or 3x plus 2 equals 0, or it happens when 2x minus 3 equals 0. This one then tells you that x equals minus 1. This one, 3x equals minus 2. and that tells you that x equals, move the 3 down, minus 2 over 3. And this one, 2x, move the 3 across, will equal 3. And that will tell you that x is equal to 3 over 2. So x equals minus 1, or the other solution is x equals minus 2 over 3, or x equals 3 over 2. There we go. That's that one done. Great, that's question 7 completed. Good.